Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Chemistry with Tanvi. In last lecture we studied the nomenclature of halogen derivatives. In that we see the common names and IUPAC name for the alkyl halide compounds, aryl halide compounds and the haloarenes. In today's lecture we start the new point from this same chapter. Halogen derivatives is the methods of preparation of alkyl halides. First method, there are 5 methods for preparation of alkyl halides. In today's lecture we just discuss about first method, that is from alcohols. Alcohols are the compound denoted by the symbol ROH. Alcohols are maybe primary alcohols, secondary alcohols and tertiary alcohols. What is mean by primary alcohol? When OH containing carbon atom contains OH group containing carbon atoms contains 2 hydrogen and 1 R group, called as primary alcohol. Secondary alcohol means OH group attached carbon containing 1 hydrogen and 2 R group. And in tertiary alcohol there is presence of no hydrogen and 3 R group. So from alcohols, the most widely used method of preparation of alkyl halides is the replacement of this OH group from alcohol by the halogen atom. Alcohols are available in a wide variety. The hydroxyl group may be replaced by the halogen atom by using first the hydrogen halide, then next is phosphorus halide, and third one is thionyl chloride. So very first reaction is by using the hydrogen acid or the hydrogen halide, that is HX. HX means what? H is the representation of hydrogen and X is the symbol for the halogen. So it is called as hydrogen halide or halogen acid. It is inorganic acid, so there is absence of COH group just because of presence of hydrogen and halogen together, so we known as halogen acid. So in this reaction there are different conditions for obtaining different type of alkyl halide. In this reaction, for chlorine, bromine and iodine, there are separate reaction conditions are there. Separate reaction conditions because alcohols used are also separate. And the important point, and always ask for MCQ purpose, that is asking the order of reactivity of alcohols with a given haloacid is always tertiary, then secondary, then primary. This is the reactivity order for alcohols for the preparation of alkyl halides. That means tertiary वाले alcohols सबसे ज़्यादा और fast react करते हैं, then secondary alcohols, and then next is the primary alcohols. So here is the very common reaction is given as ROH is a symbol of alcohol when treated with the HX with suitable conditions gives rise to RX and water. Here replacement of OH group by the halogen, this halogen यहाँ पे replace होता है और OH यहाँ जाता है. So इसमें क्या होता है? Remaining part are R and X. R is a symbol of alkyl group, X is a symbol of halide. So preparation of alkyl halide from alcohols, and what is the remaining? OH and H includes to form the water molecule. Okay, so In next reaction, if we prepare alkyl halide as a chloride, that is alkyl chloride, then what type of reaction conditions are there? So hydrogen chloride is used with the zinc chloride for the primary and secondary alcohols. But if these are the primary and secondary alcohols, if we are taking react with the HCl in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, then formation of alkyl chloride with water molecule. This reaction is known as Gru's process. Gru's process. In Gru's process, primary and secondary alcohols are react faster with this Zn HCl and Zn anhydrous ZnCl2. This compound is known as the mixture of concentrated HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride is known as Lucas reagent. This is combined form of Lucas reagent. Gives rise to alkyl chloride with water molecule. So in this reaction, what happen? If we taking tertiary alcohol, then it is readily react with the concentrated hydrochloric acid in absence of zinc chloride. If we are taking tertiary alcohol, then what happen with this reaction? Just required concentrated HCl, not required zinc chloride. Okay. Then next, if we are preparing alkyl bromide compound, then what type of reaction conditions know here? Here we required constant boiling of hydrobromic acid. What it is? In general reaction we know as when alcohols are react with the HX in suitable reaction condition gives rise to RX, that is alkyl halide compound. So here constant boiling of hydrobromic acid, this hydrobromic acid taken as 48% for preparing the alkyl bromide. This compound is known as alkyl bromide. Primary alkyl bromides can also be prepared by reaction with the NaBr and H2SO4. Here HBr is generated in situ condition. What is mean by in situ? In situ means there are not a room temperature condition in which some extra reaction condition is added, such as pressure, temperature and so on. Okay, understood this reaction? Let us check the one example. RCH2OH. What type of alcohol it is there? OH ग्रुप जिस कार्बन को अटैच है वो कार्बन को अगर 2 हाइड्रोजन और 1 R ग्रुप होता है तो उसे क्या कहते हैं हम? प्राइमरी अल्कोहल. ओके, प्राइमरी अल्कोहल प्लस HBr, that is hydrobromic acid. How much percent it is taken? That is 48% in presence of NaBr. If HBr is there, then reagent is used NaBr in presence of H2SO4 and heat, because it is constant boiling. When it is constant boiling with the HBr, then the formation of product RCH2. What is going on here? This OH and EH as a water molecule remove and remaining part just join RCH2. I am writing here, and from HBr, that is Br. So the product is primary alkyl bromide. Okay, understood? So the next reaction, if we are preparing for alkyl iodide, then what type of different conditions are there? The good yield of alkyl iodide may be obtained by heating alcohols with the sodium or potassium iodide in 95% of phosphoric acid. This is our alcohol starting material. This HI is used. HI means hydroiodic acid, and this NaI, or if we use Ki or NaI, in how much percentage? 95% of phosphoric acid, that is H3PO4. Here HI also generated in situ condition. That means special conditions. Okay, here ROH, replacement of OH by iodine, then the formation of product alkyl iodide and water molecule. Okay, in this, before this reaction, in both the reactions, what happens if we are preparing alkyl chloride, then what type of condition we required for alkyl chloride preparation of? We use the Lucas reagent, that is HCl plus ZnCl2. Okay, if we are preparing RBr, that is alkyl bromide, then what type of reaction condition we need? HBr in presence of NaBr and H2SO4 with heat. And for preparation of alkyl iodide, we need HI, that is hydroiodic acid, in presence of NaI or Ki, that is potassium or sodium iodide, in presence of 95% of H3PO4. Okay, then next is B point, from alcohols B, that is by using the phosphorus halide. And alkyl halides may be prepared by the action of phosphorus halide. Phosphorus halide are always phosphorus trihalide or phosphorus pentahalide. Okay, px3 and px5. In this process, phosphorus tribromide or phosphorus trihalide, this here PBr3 or PI3, are usually generated in situ condition. By the situ condition means reaction, special reaction conditions produced in the reaction mixture like conditions, by the reaction of red phosphorus and the bromine and the iodine respectively. Phosphorus pentachloride reacts with the alcohols to give the alkyl halides. Both these are reacts with the alcohols ROH, then gives rise to alkyl halide with evolution of respective side products. So in that, if alcohols are react with phosphorus trihalide, then the formation of alkyl halide with H3PO3, that is H3PO3 named as phosphorus hydrophosphoric acid, okay. Then in next condition, if we react alcohol with the phosphorus pentachloride, then the formation of alkyl chloride plus HCl and POCl3. Okay, this is the very simple reaction. If we are taking this alcohol as CH3OH, this is known as one carbon containing, that is methyl alcohol, plus PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride, then what happens? This R remain here, that is CH3, this Cl from this pentachloride, again HCl is as same, and POCl3. Okay, in examination the question may be asked, how will you prepare methyl chloride? By using the methyl alcohol with the help of phosphorus pentachloride. Okay, So prepare it properly. And the last one is from alcohols C point, that is by using thionyl chloride. Okay, SOCl2 is known as thionyl chloride. The thionyl chloride reacts with the straight chain primary alcohols to give the unrearranged alkyl halides. This byproduct obtained are the gases. There is no need put extra efforts for its separation. Here both the gases are evolved, but there is easy separation is there. No extra efforts required for its separation. Okay, in that, when alcohol is treated with the thionyl chloride in presence of heat, the delta is symbol for heat, then gives rise to alkyl chloride SOCl2. Upper here arrow shows this is the sulfur dioxide gas. Gases are always shown by this upper headed arrow, and HCl also evolved as a gas. Okay, in this lecture we just see the first reaction from alcohols. In that 3 points are there by using halogen acid. Second one is by using phosphorus halide. They are in the form of either trihalide or pentahalide. And third one is from thionyl chloride. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe too. Don't forget to hit bell icon to stay updated over a latest video. See you next time. Bye bye.